day come true too. That's my spaceship. My Milky Way got pregnant. She say it's for you who FaceTime Kodak with my Nunu. I left you cause he knew you.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Noah back with another reaction. I'm here with
JBMW. Y'all know what's going on. Go comment, like, subscribe my channel. Do that right now.
Well, today we're reacting to Quavo, Ice Tray, featuring Lil Yachty.
Ice Tray, okay, I've heard already.
It's
dope.
I've heard a little bit of it. I haven't heard the whole song.
It's D-O-O-P good.
I mean, let's
G-O. I'm going to get into it. Y'all ready?
Yeah, let's get into it.
Are you ready?
We're ready.
Oh. You heard who was saying "bully" in the background. You know that's Takeoff.
Yeah, that's Takeoff because what Joe Budden did.
Yeah, because Joe Budden, you know, in that I know all y'all know, but in that interview where Joe Budden was interviewing the Migos, they had Offset, Quavo, and then Takeoff there, and everybody knows that Joe Budden was like Takeoff.
When you left out of Bad and Bougie.
Yeah, he was like, when you left out of Bad and Bougie, and then Takeoff was like, do it look like I left out of Bad and Bougie? And he was like, what? He said, do it look like I left out of Bad and Bougie? He said, what? He said, do it look like I left out of Bad and Bougie? Wait, Joe Budden wasn't asking. It was actually DJ Academics. DJ Academics was asking them that, and then Joe Budden was rude and was like, he was like, all right, we done. I'm done with this. And then Quavo got up and got mad and tried to fight him and stuff.
But
yeah, he is. And also, I feel like, because, you know, Lil Yachty's in the song, and I feel like that he is coming at Joe Budden, too, because there was an interview with Joe Budden, DJ Academics, and Lil Yachty, and Joe Budden wouldn't stop coming at Lil Yachty the whole interview. So, yeah.
And this press buttons. Like that nigga mad cause your bitch fucking. Fuck it. Ice trader gang. Ice trader gang. Ice trader gang. Fuck it. Alexander jeweler brain. Hide and Kirko.
He said, what my jeweler brain? He got his own jeweler.
Bro,
he rich, he buying all the ice, so he got his own jeweler.
Bro, you seen that necklace that he spins, bro? That is hard.
He had a little spinner. He's got his own jeweler gave him that. His own jeweler gave him that, bro.
That's crazy. We gotta run it back. He was like in the middle of saying something, bro.
That ain't far enough.
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
What my jeweler brain? Hide and Kirko bang. Huncho Bruce Wayne. Big boy Paddock in the skillet. Paddock, sit ring counts on the ceiling. If this your ice wrong, go to Elliot. Ice splash on the wrist, Jay Reddick.
Splash on the wrist, Jay Reddick.
Who's Jay Reddick?
JJ Reddick? He played for the Clippers. I don't know if he still does.
Yeah.
He used to.
Yeah.
He used to, you know, he's splashing on the wrist.
I'm sorry, what was the noise? Interesting. We just going.
Bag of drugs, no medic. These niggas like Billy. Ice tray on nigga flooded. Ice.
Hook. Straight bars. The hook is dope. Ice tray on nigga flooded. Like I'm saying, like it just goes in. Like the hook makes you want to stay, listen to the rest of the song. Does it or does it not? It does. It actually does.
If a nigga hatin', call him Joe Budden. Ice trader gang, fuck it.
Hey, diamonds look like candy corn. Sent the chain of mail, born, no.
Alright. Diamonds look like candy corn. The white, yellow, and orange. Diamonds glistening like a candy corn. They change their colors. He's saying his diamonds is expensive, okay? He's saying he got straight eyes. Your diamonds like candy corns?
I mean,
no.
someone.
His diamonds like candy corns? Yeah, he just said it.
Mail is airborne. Camera on the chain with the flash like it's shooting porn.
Pause it for this time. What'd he say?
You not listening?
I ain't hear it that time, bro. How far I need to run it back?
Bro, just go back right here, bro.
Mail is airborne. Diamond on his chain with the flash like it's shooting porn.
Diamond on his chain with the flash like he's shooting porn. The flash so bright with his diamonds. It's like a camera going ka-ching. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Got to acknowledge you were wearing Buffy's, bro.
Dude.
I can't ring, them little pointers tell me where you're going. Sing like a needle picker.
You hear that? You heard that, bro? You heard that? Tell him.
When I fuck Undertaker, if my diamonds had a voice, it would sound like Fantasia. $2 million on my jewelry, big appraisal.
Oh man, hurt my heart. He said $2 million on his jewelry. Like 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros.
That's crazy.
Whoa!
2 million.
Nigga ball like the Rosen. Every scally fully frozen. Right wrist cause commotion. Big rocks on my wrist so white, need a whole pound of lotion. Diamond be wet like the ocean. Wanna watch like this, pussy is concussion about a pretty token.
Oi. Diamonds wet like the ocean. It's gonna cost you a pretty token. You know what I'm saying? A pretty token on it, bro. It's gonna cost you a pretty token because my diamond's looking like the ocean because they water. Water. You understand what I'm saying?
Ice.
Water. Ice, all that. Iceberg. His iceberg falling off his wrist looking like a water.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Straight up crazy.
Big carrots in they pocket.
That's it, dog.
That was hard.
That joint was dope. Straight up dope.
Yeah.
Quality control. Oh, he dope too.
I'm sorry, what?
Quality control. Quality control. He dope.
Yeah.
He dropping the control the streets. 1. Now I'm ready for Migos to drop the
Culture 2.
Culture 2. Because it's going to be a whole lot of this. Whole lot of reactions too. You know what I'm saying?
All right,
Migos hard. Quavo hard. Lil Yachty hard. Okay, go ahead.
All right, well. Make sure y'all go check out his channel.
Go do it now. Subscribe. Did you hear that? Oh, man.
Like, comment, subscribe to his channel. JBMW. Well, go down there, like, comment, subscribe.